What is up, good guys? And today we're doing every loss equals a weapon upgrade. Starting with revolver, then moving up to AK, then shotgun, then the best gun in the game, SMG. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, we're in the first round with an 8 Primal Emperor. See how this goes. Alright, this 8 Primal Emperor will probably beat me. 1, the rank, and 2,
round starting.
I'm using revolver. Okay, let's go. That's one win. So, yeah. We just need 4 more of those, which is going to be kind of hard.
Round starting.
I think I just got lucky. Yeah, I definitely just got lucky. Because I am seeming to do nothing now.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh, I'm selling. Dude. One more headshot and I would have killed him. It's alright though, because I'm not really mad because
Round starting.
revolver is not the best gun in the game. Honestly, one of the worst. Yeah, I am doing absolutely nothing, so. Y'all signed up for the wrong video.
Round starting.
Come on. No, dude. Yeah, this is kind of what I expected. I'm kind of glad that I got 1 round.
Round starting.
Dude, he's gotta be at least 1 headshot. Give me a headshot. Save me. No! Alright, we lost that round, so now we're moving on to AK. Alright, we're in the match with a Silverback 1, so hopefully this goes good. Okay, AK, here we go.
Round starting.
L. Okay, we did 109 first round damage, but I think I could do better.
Round starting.
We did a lot better that round, but actually we didn't do that much better. But
Round starting.
hopefully we can do even better this round. Doesn't look like I'm going to be because of my movement. Sorry. Dude. If this isn't going good, I can't wait until shotgun.
Round starting.
Yeah, that won't go good at all.
Oh, stop running!
Dude. Oh, I can't get 5-0'd, bro. Why did I do better with revolver?
Round starting.
Dude, I can't get 5-0, no! That didn't go very good, but hopefully shotgun does. Alright, we're in the first round with shotgun only against a Silverback 1 with a 6 streak. Hopefully we could take that. Probably not, but let's see. Okay, we did 121 damage, I think. Yeah. Can always do better, though. Hopefully that's what happens.
Round starting.
Bro, I'm doing, like, the same amount of progress each round. Like, I keep doing.
Round starting.
Oh, why am I running?
Enemy spotted.
First round is a win! First round won. Let's go. Headshot and then bang. Let's go, bro.
Round
At
starting.
least I'm not getting 5-0'd. I'm okay with the 5-1. Okay, yeah, that sucked. Well,
Round starting. Enemy spotted.
oh, let's go. That's 2 rounds.
Yeah, bro, who's that in your picture? Is that your friend?
That's me and my duo.
No, who's that?
Round starting.
Your friend in the,
But yeah, it's my friend.
Wait, what level is he? Like, ping pong or something?
Round starting.
My friend?
Yeah,
He's
what
an
rank?
Apex.
I bet. I'm an Apex too. I'm not all.
Level we've all been waiting for. SMG. Alright, we're in the first round with SMG only. Hopefully I can win this. If I win this, I win the challenge. If I lose the challenge. Alright, we're in the barn map.
Round starting.
Hopefully I can win this. I hit him for a good amount. Just not enough. How much did I hit him for? 157.
Round
That's
starting.
still... Oh my gosh, my movement is so L. Boom. Let's go. That's 1. I'm just glad I'm not getting 5-0'd at the most. I hope I
Round
can win this one, because I will need this. Hope I can win this challenge. Dang it. You gotta get these wins, bro.
Round starting.
Oh, I hit him for a good amount.
Round starting.
Oh, I just missed every shot. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, I sold.
Round
I'm
starting.
selling. Oh, I'm selling. Let's go, that's 2. Hopefully we can make it 3 right here without
Round
getting...
starting.
I need to win this challenge. I probably won't. Did I speak too soon? Wait. Let's go! 5-3 right now. No, 4-3 right now. I hope I can win these next 2.
Round starting.
Why am I hiding? It's hide and seek right now. Let's go! 4-4. Hopefully I can win this one to win the challenge.
Round starting.
Let's see. Let's go! That is a challenge complete. That was a really good comeback there at the end. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure to go watch the others and like and subscribe. See y'all.